Did you know that birds can talk? I'm Sil, and this is Slow Easy English. In this video, we're going to learn how to use the expression, a little bird told me. Now, it's not an idiom exactly, because remember, idioms are when words combine to form a different meaning that is, it can't really be imagined from the words themselves. In this expression, a little bird told me, it doesn't form a new meaning, but it's an expression that we use that means something, and I will explain that to you now. So first, let's look at a dialogue and see if you can guess how it's being used, what its true meaning is. So in this dialogue, we have Trevor and Vicky. They work together, they're co-workers. And Trevor is in the break room at work when Vicky walks in. So Trevor says hello. He says, "Hey, Vicky." "Hey, Trev, what's up?" "Not too much. You?" "Not much." "Really? That's not what I heard." "Oh? What did you hear?" "Oh, nothing special. Just that you got a promotion to senior management." "How did you find out? That was supposed to be a secret until next month." "Let's just say a little bird told me." Okay, so in this dialogue, Trevor knows something that is supposed to be a secret. And Vicky, of course, is curious and wants to know how do you know? How did you find out? Where did you get the information? And Trevor doesn't want to tell her where he got the information. So he simply says, "A little bird told me." Of course, there's no actual bird, and birds don't speak. At least they don't speak English. So obviously, this is not literal, but it's something that we do say when we want to actually say, "I'm not telling you." I'm not telling you how I got the information. So that's how you use the expression, "a little bird told me." Try to use it when you're speaking English sometime, and I hope this video helped you understand English just a little bit more. Remember to like the video, and also, if you can, please share it on your Facebook, Twitter, and what other social media you might have. And that's it for now. So I will see you in the next video, and thank you for watching. Bye.